To describe what are the pathways in the complement system, we have the classical pathway, which is triggered by the activation of the C1 complex. And the C1 complex is composed of different molecules. Um, some of the molecules is one molecule of the C1Q. It contains two molecules of the C1R. It contains two molecules of the C1S. So technically, the whole thing wrote out is C1Q2S2. Um, it occurs when the C1Q binds to the IgM, or also it binds to the IgG, I believe, um, which is complexed along with antigens. Um, we also see a single kinematic of IgM, which can initiate the pathway, so it can be initiated by other ways. Um, there's ideally 6 IgGs needed, typically needed. It also occurs when the C1Q, uh, when the C1Q binds directly to the surface of the pathogen. Um, the binding leads to conformational changes. It changes in the C1Q molecule. So whatever happens generally moves on to making the change to the C1Q. Um, and then the C1 R2 and the C1 R2 S2 splits to a C4, and then that is what we call the C2. And then it produces different things such as the C4A, C4B, C2B, C4B. Um, yeah, it changes to different larger fractions. I mean, it just changes. And then it binds to form the classical pathway. Um, and it promotes cleavage into different fragments as well. So it all changes throughout.